Step 1. Install the equipment's inlet and outlet water pipes, ensuring proper differentiation secure with hose clamps. Step 2. Install the power supply 2x220 volts. Tighten the screws securely. Step 3. Install the induction cord. Tighten the nut securely. Turn on the external water supply. Check if the equipment and water pipes are installed properly. Turn on the air switch at the back of the equipment. Turn on the air switch at the back of the equipment. Operating mode, manual mode. Press the green button on the panel to start operation. Press the red button to stop operation. The power knob on the right can adjust the power level. Second mode of use, insert the foot pedal switch for control. In manual mode, pressing the foot pedal switch starts heating, releasing it stops heating. The power knob on the right can adjust the power level. The knob on the left can only be adjusted when in automatic mode and switch to keep warm. Automatic mode adjusts the heating time, retaining time, and the cooling time on the panel. After adjusting, switch from manual, auto mode to auto mode. Press the foot pedal switch, then release it. The equipment will heat according to the set time. Once the set time elapses, the equipment will stop automatically. Shutdown steps. Turn off the panel switch. Turn off the air switch at the back of the equipment. Switch off the external main switch. Remove the heated products and shut off the water.